from the hole. I've done this before in the same area, but let me find a spot for my pen. Anyway, the boat's underwater, and I mean, I spent a good 10 minutes doing this and was having a heck of a time finding it. But I will show you, let me look at the camera, and I will show you that I found the air bubbles. I should have just put this on my head. But anyway, thankfully, we got a calm spot on the river. But I'm assuming I am filming the bubbles right now, but I think you can see the bubbles. So I have marked that, and I'm gonna let it dry in my tent. And I have some Tenacious tape that, again, I have used in the past to repair this poor air mattress. All right, I'm sorry, this video is kind of wonky. But anyway, I think you can see there's some Tenacious tape from its original repair. And I'm getting some wind here. I really don't want it to fly because one hole is enough to repair. But anyway, that's the view. So sometimes you have to try to repair your gear while you are hiking. And I was told to pack Tenacious tape, that it was really good, and I will be honest, it's an amazing product. I've used it to repair this mattress and also one of the tents over there. So I will show you later, after this air mattress is dry, how to finish it. All right, directionally challenged hiker, back at trying to repair my air mattress. Wow. But I'm trying to get a little bit more of the air out of it so that it's a flat surface. I think you can see I marked it earlier with just a pen, and the hole is right there. So I'm going to we're doing it this way because it's going to work best for me. It's dry where I need it to be dry. I think there might be a couple other spots, but I've got some. And again, this is Tenacious tape. It is some pretty amazing stuff, I'll tell you that much. Let's see, where'd my pen go? Not extremely organized, but this isn't something I regularly do or plan on doing when I'm hiking. It's just kind of something that needs to be done on this hike. So that's going to be the wrong direction, so I need to do it this way. I need to flip her over this way just to kind of get the curve of it. I'd like to have it fit as best I can to make it maybe stay. Yeah, this air mattress is, it's had a few accidents. I get to use my little Swiss Army knife scissors here. Just give it a little bit of a curve, and then that's going to fit fairly nicely right there. Alright, so we are back again, having a little bit of GoPro issues here. The GoPro does not like heat, so kind of call it about right there. Cut in course, it's not on a line. Yeah. All right, and I need to, let me just, probably supposed to alcohol prep and stuff like that, which I don't have that. So it got washed in the river, and this is what it's getting. So we're gonna peel that off, try not to touch it too much. There we go. That should be repaired. Obviously, I'm going to wait a little while. I'm not exactly sure how long I'm supposed to wait, but it says wipe clean, trim to overlap, peel. Adhesive continues to strengthen over time, but we're not going to inflate this right yet. We're going to let it just relax for a while. I'll probably inflate it when I get ready for bed tonight. But anyway, I guess that is how I deal with a popped air mattress. And you probably shouldn't leave your scissors right by your air mattress either. It's probably not a good idea. So, but yep. I will let you know if it works, because if I'm really crabby tomorrow morning, you will know that it did not work. So, until next time, hopefully on better terms, directionally challenged hiker. Directionally challenged hiker here again. As you can see, this morning, and I had a slow leak again last night. So we're going to try, hopefully take off. This is probably better. See if I can find more light. are right on the seam So I will attempt to repair this when we get into camp tonight, this afternoon. We'll see about that. I think this air mattress has about had it. I mean, it's had some repair before because I was dumb, and it might just be, you know, giving it up. So later, maybe I'll get some views of the area.